Podcast. What up? In this episode, I talk about the brand new Vizio 4K television, the specs of the Vizio 4K television, and what is in store for Vizio and 4K television in 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed the podcast. What's going on? In this episode, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the brand new Vizio 4K television. They have the 43-inch, which is at $2,000, and the 75-inch, which is at $2,400. There are brand new specs for it, points per inch and DPI in pixels. You guys can also check it out and it's available at most retailers. So, and plus Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit will be coming to Vizio TVs now. Well, that's an improvement. And the Vizio flagship 4K television is going to be led by its 65-inch, which is $2,200, and their 75-inch, which is $3,500. And that's a huge step up from where they were, let's say, 10 years ago. And they're just so practical in the sense of where their market is and where their mindset is on what they want to put out to the people, and also where they want to go in the future. Like, let's say 10 years they want to do because 4K has been released already, guys. 4K televisions have been released from since the past 4 or 5 years now, and it's just so mind-blowing where 4K has gone over the past 6-7 years now. Now Vizio's getting into the game by releasing their 4K television, because before most televisions had 1080p, and now certain 4K televisions still have 1080p, but some of them have 2160 by 1440, and that's a major improvement for a television. And you'll only find those on laptops and desktops and everything like that. Like the new desktops you'll find those on, and the newest laptops you'll find those on. But and if you guys also the same TV comes in the standard P series Quantum comes in the same two sizes, but with lower but very still respectable specs for the dimming up to 240 and brightness up to 1200 nits. It'll cost you $2,400 or $1,400. As you can see, moving up to a 75-inch television doesn't come cheap, guys. So if you guys want to pick up one, you guys can go to your local hardware store or Staples or one of those retailers to get the TV. But I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Make sure to hit me up on Twitter at tsnake.13. We got some huge projects in the works, and we would see you guys in the next episode, guys. Hey guys, thank you for listening to the Daily Social Podcast. Feel free to subscribe on Anchor, Apple Podcasts, and wherever else you guys get your podcasts. And follow me on Instagram at tsnake.13 for the latest episodes and updates to the podcast. Thanks for listening, guys. Appreciate it.